In Stacking Up today, we continue our look at retail with John Burnside of Freeboard Capital, and you've been a big believer in Macy's. We recently heard from the company there's a lot of store cutting going on. So are you a big believer still?
Yeah, well, back when the stock was in the low 30s, we were buying it to get the dividend. They had just increased their dividend, and as you know, we like having those stocks that do increase their dividends, as well as once we put the position on, still putting a collar around it. So we are actually long the Jan 30 puts and short the Jan 32 calls. Again, we bought the stock when it was in the low 30s, so that may not be the case at this point. So anyways, that's what we got.
Live trading floor, what can you say? So, okay, here you are with Macy's though. Where do you see it going? Because as an options play, you're trying to make money whether this stock goes up or down. Basically, you're protected.
Yeah, it's basically just a dividend play for me. I enjoy getting the dividends. I like the cash flow from putting up the getting the dividends. So I'll be moving it up as it becomes appropriate. We've got till January. Anything can happen between now.
I like a buy and hold then.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Let's move on to Cisco Systems. What do you think about this stock? This company also cutting jobs.
Yeah, well, we have a position on in Cisco. The stock's trading down close to 30. We've liked the stock since the mid-20s. It pays a great dividend. Again, we deploy the collar strategy around it. We are actually short today's August 30 calls against it. So we'll be rolling that out later today as the premium comes out, right at strike. And we'll probably either go, it depends where the stock is. We'll stay, in the 30 line, or we may go up to the 30.5 line. But we really like the stock. It pays a great dividend. It's going to continue to pay a dividend. They got a great cash position, and I don't see why it wouldn't be a core holding of anybody's. Do
you ever see Cisco going up to maybe 35 and really having a breakout moment, or do you think it's just going to be one of those sturdy buy them and hold them stocks?
I really don't. I never try to guess which way it goes, and you know why? Because
Why?
every time I guess which way it goes the other way. So I try to play conservatively and just try to make sure I get those dividends and the cash flow keeps pouring in.
Good plan.
It works.
Thanks for coming on the show, John.
Anytime.